Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, today we are going to go through the top 5 Python libraries for e-commerce. So when it comes to fifth one, we have Cartridge in the 5th place. Well, this tool is quite simple but no less useful as it provides a simple and clean foundation for e-commerce websites. It includes the most common e-commerce features such as sales pricing, promotional codes, registered or anonymous checkouts, and tiered categories. And yeah, there are many more with this Cartridge. So here we have some cool features about Cartridge. It has a shopping cart plugin for Mezzanine, where Mezzanine is a tool which actually works on content management. So it is also built using this Mezzanine. And here we have a feature of sales pricing, PDF invoice generation, stock control, and there are many more. Here it is built using the technologies called Python, Django, and Mezzanine. As I said before, Mezzanine is a thing which is actually, works as a content management system, which is something like WordPress. Let's see what we have in top 4. Well, we have Shoop in top 4, which is also built using this Python and Django. Well, it is an open source multi-vendor marketplace software based on Python and Django. It allows you to build marketplaces like Amazon, Fiverr, and the options are simply endless. And furthermore, Shoop offers free open source access to developers, but also includes various paid business and enterprise packages depending on your company needs. So here we have some cool features of Shoop. It is simple with unlimited product attributes. It has comprehensive account dashboard. It supports multiple e-commerce websites, languages, and currencies. It has responsive design and SEO-friendly features. And yeah, there are many more. So it is actually built using technology called Python and Django, and it is under license GNU. Well, in top 3, we have Django Shop. Well, Django Shop is a light and fast framework which is written in Python that aims to implement the online store. This clean, functional, and modular system is easily installed and run independently or as a counterpart to Django CMS, which is content management system, for which it has several useful plugins ready to use. Django Shop is a perfect solution for those projects that demand high customization, and this structure is highly flexible as the systems can be adapted to the specific needs of the workshop. Django Shop is developing rapidly and has 3 main modules, which are cart modifiers, which manages the cart's contents, and here we have a cool shipping plugin, allows you to select only one shipping backend and delivery method per order, and here we have payment modules which modify the actual payment processing. Well, this cool Django Shop library is developed using the technologies called Python, Django, Django CMS, which is content management system, and we have Django REST framework, which actually handles the APIs. So it is under this BSD license. Okay, I'm really curious to know what do we have in top 2. Let's see what do we have, which is Oscar. Yes, Oscar is a cool Python Django library. This Django domain-driven e-commerce framework allows for full customization of your project, making it highly flexible as you can meet your business needs. It also includes comprehensive documentation and an extensive test suite, and it also have other features like customizable products, vouchers, and extension libraries for various payment gateways, such as PayPal and DataCash. Moreover, Oscar is constantly working on improvements such as adding extra payment methods and handling increasingly larger product catalogs. So here we have some cool features of Oscar. It handles all products which are downloadable, subscriptions, variant products, something like that. And it has customizable products, and it has sophisticated sale offers, vouchers, and comprehensive dashboard. And there are many extension libraries for PayPal, Go Cardless, DataCash, and there are many more. And here this Oscar also built using this Python Django, which is under BSD license. Let's see what do we have on top 1. I'm really curious to know what we have on top 1. Well, yeah, the top 1 is the Seja, which is really the top 1 and the best e-commerce library ever. Well, Seja is an open source e-commerce platform built in with Python, GraphQL, Django, and React. Its goal is to deliver dynamic, speedy, and personalized shopping solutions and help you to create beautiful online stores. Seja's most impressive features include offline shopping for a focus on user experience, advanced payment, and tax options. that can integrate any payment method, and excellent SEO and analytic features. This Python library for e-commerce is free for developers but also offers 3 different packages for companies tailored to their needs. Oh wow, it's really super cool. Let us see what are the cool features of this failure. Well, it is fast, responsive, based on Bootstrap and SAS, and it has unlimited products and multiple currencies. It is industry standard checkout and split shipment, and it has multiple payment methods. Whoa, this is really cool. And it is actually built with the cool technologies called Python, Django, GraphQL, Node.js, and React. Whoa, it is actually built with good and interesting technologies. These technologies made this library flexible to the developers. So it is actually under MIT. So yeah, I think you guys learned something cool and interesting about the top 5 e-commerce libraries that you can use to develop your own e-commerce websites or e-commerce applications. Okay, I'll be back with one more interesting top 5 video. If you're new to this channel, then what are you waiting for? Just go there and tap the red button over there so that you can never miss an update from us. And yeah, see you in the next video.